who they were. In one sense, then, the way to Rainy Mountain is preeminently the history of an idea, man's idea of himself, and it has old and essential being in language. The verbal tradition by which it has been preserved has suffered deterioration in time. What remains is fragmentary, mythology, legend, lore, and hearsay, and of course the idea itself, as crucial and complete as it ever was. That is the miracle. The journey herein recalled continues to be made anew each time the miracle comes to mind, for that is peculiarly the right and responsibility of the imagination. It is a whole journey, intricate with motion and meaning, and it is made with the whole memory, that experience of the mind which is legendary as well as historical, personal as well as cultural. And the journey is an evocation of three things in particular: a landscape that is incomparable, a time that is gone forever, and the human spirit which endures. And the journey is an evocation of three things in particular: a landscape that is incomparable, a time that is gone forever, and the human spirit which endures. The imaginative experience and the historical express equally the traditions of man's reality. Finally, then, the journey recalled is, among other things, the revelation of one way in which these traditions are conceived, developed, and interfused in the human mind. There are, on the way to Rainy Mountain, many landmarks, many journeys in the one. From the beginning, the migration of the Kiowas was an expression of the human spirit, and that expression is most truly made in terms of wonder and delight. There were many people, and oh, it was beautiful. That was the beginning of the Sundance. It was all for Taimei, you know, and it was a long time.